Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. I hope you guys are doing great. Well, it's a little bit late tonight, courtesy of the U.S. Post Office, because of course everything I get that I want to record seems to come really late, even after holidays. You know, there's no more excuses. It's not the holiday crunch, so it is what it is though, right? Let's not sweat the small stuff. Well, anyway, tonight what I have is IPSY, and by the size of this, it feels like their premium bag, the Plus. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, and possibly, depending on what's in here, maybe a quick try on, stay tuned. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, welcome back. And tonight it's already a little late and it's really pitch dark out there, but because of my happy pink background, I think it's okay. It's kind of like a visual illusion for me. And so I want to get started, and I'll tell you, I still have not received my BoxyCharm December premium box. I have not. And I wrote to BoxyCharm. They said they'll send me out another one. I still haven't received that one either. And when I look at the tracking, it says delivery pending. What does that mean, FedEx? Delivery pending. Well, duh. Well, where is it? So anyway, so that's that. So I'm really sorry that I haven't been able to open, my BoxyCharm premium boxes. And I'm hoping that this month's January's come in January. 2021, January 2021, please. And so we'll see. But for now, let's just dive right into this IPSY bag. And so how have you guys been? Your day going okay? Well, this should be an extra video on a day that I'm actually doing another video, because I've pre-recorded a lot of things forward, and so I think I want to get this up as soon as possible, so you'll possibly see it with another video. Okay. And also I got a purple background that I bought from Amazon. Yeah, but I have to iron it first. It's all wrinkly. So once I iron it, I'll give you a different background, because I know you guys are gonna get tired of seeing the same background over and over. So anyhow, got distracted. Okay, I guess I didn't order any add-ons. Maybe that's it. Something just hit me. You didn't order add-ons, so you got your package early? I don't know. No add-ons, because there's nothing outside of it. Okay, so as everybody knows, we get these cute drawstring bags for the IPSY Glam Plus. And these are full-size products, between 5 and 6 products, I believe, and these are $25 a month, okay? And whereas the regular Glam bag, the tiny one, is $12, but that's also not full-size, things, unless you get lucky and get a full-size brush. But that's about it. So let's see what's in here. Okay, card, please. There is a... You're invited to experience Glam Bag X. That's coming in February. Actually, I've already been invited and I've been accepted for Glam Bag X. So I'm really, really looking forward to it, because if this is accurate, it looks like there's going to be a really nice Huda palette along with a Patrick Ta item. So you might want to check it out. And this looks like a full-size palette from Huda. So, yeah. So it might be worth checking out, and let's see. Yeah, all the other things I could do without, but that's okay. Just those couple of things. And so let's see. What is this? Okay, this is the card, I think. And it says, Dream It. New month, new year. Phew. And the sky's the limit. When you start small, a trim here, a bold lip there. Your grandest goals will be within reach. Get into this month's theme at ipsy.com. Dream it. So here's the card. Okay. I'm not sure. Is this a card that tells me what's in there? What's inside? No. It just gives you your beauty resolution for your sign. What sign you are and things. I don't follow that, but I'm a Virgo anyway. So it says, Virgo, stray from the understated looks you love and experiment. Stray away from it. Okay, so that goes along with my goal. I didn't need horoscope to tell me that. Okay, that's that. So there is no card here. So I'm not going to know what the retail prices of these things are right away. But let's get started anyway. Okay, the first thing out of the bag is the Best Brow Toolkit Ever by BDB Billion Dollar Brow. I think I've heard of that company, right? That's been coming up lately. Here it is. This is actually very nice. It has miniature scissors, tweezers, and a spoolie and a brush. So the spoolie and a brush is a double-sided type of thing. And you know, these brows I do myself. So maybe, yeah. Let me take a look real quick. I don't want to like break the box or anything in case it's something I already really have. But I don't have really good brow scissors because I ended up like using it, you know, for other things and ruining them. So, okay, it comes like this, as you notice. And it is a, like I said, let me hold this up nicely. It's a spoolie with a brush. And I like these. Matter of fact, I have a couple of these. And I'm always open for new ones because mine's pretty old. And let's see, next is these very nice scissors. And these are brow scissors, I could tell. Oh, this is nice because, you know, it's not curved. I had the curved ones and they used to mess me up. And the other thing here, the last thing here is actually the tweezer. Let's see. Oh, okay, here we go. It says, okay, there we go. And so these are actually very nice and I will use it. So I will keep it for change. So that's that. And what does it say about it? It says it is bamboo charcoal infused bristles on the brush. It's vegan. It's cruelty free. And so the scissors, straight edge stainless steel scissor, perfect for trimming those pesky brow hairs. Tweezers, stainless steel, professional grade tweezers, specifically coated and designed with precision in mind. It is built to grab the finest of hairs with the slanted tip. And an eyebrow brush. This angled brush applies powder or pomade to the eyebrow and effortlessly blends product to the spoolie brush on its opposite end, which I actually use. So yeah, this is nice. Yep, good, good. Yeah, I'm not unhappy. So that's that. And next we will go with this OFRA Bossy Eyes eyeshadow. It looks like liquid eyeshadow again. And you know, let me see if I can open this. I don't think I'm gonna swatch it because I have several, I have several liquid eyeshadows like this. And so I will put this in a giveaway. Matter of fact, this is nice because it's kind of heavy, you know. This is very nice actually. And this is a very nice shimmer. Oh my. Yeah, if this goes on the way it looks like it could, whoo, I almost dropped it. Yeah, this would be very nice. So I'll put this in the giveaways. And this is called Bossy Eyes by OFRA. Okay. And next is Skin Iceland. Oh, I picked this Minty Lip Fix, and this is a lip balm, right? It's a lip treatment, and at this time of year, I'm telling you, I go through so many. If you saw my empties video, you saw how many lip products I really went through already. So these are always welcome, and it is a minty lip fix with glacial water. Marketing word, glacial water. Where'd you go to Switzerland and go into the glaciers and get the water? Okay, so anyway, found the perfect shade of red lipstick. Too bad I can't wear it. Chapped, flaky lips are ruining my makeup application. Sunburned all summer, cold and ravaged all winter. What is the deal with the perpetually parched and peeling state of my lips? Need a miracle balm that can nourish, repair, and smooth my pout on contact? Try Minty Lip Fix by Skin Iceland. That's a... You know what? I'm going to try, and I'm going to let you guys know, because, you know, I'm a tough critic when it comes to lip products. So, yeah, it's like this. Skin Iceland, I think, is a pretty good company. I think I've seen a couple of other things by them. Let me see. Yep, it comes with a slanted tip like this. I'm not going to push on it because I don't want... I have a lot of... right now, I have like 3 different lip products I'm going. So, that's that. And next, oh, this is what I've been waiting for, and I hope it's not broken. There we go. Huda Beauty. Okay, very nice. And this is actually Mauve Obsessions. Mauve. Did somebody say mauve? Did somebody say mauve? Yes, they said mauve. Yeah, my color story, people. So, This is such a beautiful color story, and this is me in a palette. And so really, I love this. And the mirror on this is wonderful. And so I know, I've been getting these small ones on sale, and this is one that I actually could not find on the Haute site. Now I see why. BoxyCharm must have bought them all. So anyway, but they were all on sale, except for this is the one I couldn't find. I couldn't find one more. I'm hoping to see it on BoxyCharm somewhere so I can get it, because I'm collecting these little guys. And so, yeah, okay. So, yeah, I was going to do some quick looks with it, but I think this is color that you guys are used to see me in. I think I'll do it on another day to keep this video short, because it will be a second video, coming to think of it, in a day that I already have another video, and it's probably going to be another makeup tutorial. So let's continue. Hey, that's not all. There's one more thing in here, and it is an envelope. And I've gotten an envelope like this before. I think you guys have seen what's in here, especially I think my very first bag that I received from IPSY had the same thing, except for it's not as, at least this one's not beat up. I remember my other one was like really beat up. So it has this really nice, look at this, nice fine, very fine touch by LaRousse. And I love their brushes. And that's another thing I need to do, I need to show you guys my brushes too. Oh, nice, see how it just opens. It's, yeah, very nice. Okay, and let's see what's in here. Oh, okay, first we got the black, then we got the gray, now we're getting the blue handles. You see that? But it's all the same kind of handles, you see? And I believe, I think that, whoops, there's a hair in there. I believe I gave the first set away already on one of my giveaways, which was the black set. Yes, I did already. And so this also will go into the giveaways, because these are such very nice brushes. I don't want to touch them all up because I'm giving them away, but I mean, the bristles on these are soft, and I mean, these are awesome. And I think I kept the gray one because I don't think I got the whole 5-piece set. I think it was just a 2-piece set with the just the face brushes, the powder, and a blush, I think. So I kept that one. But I did give the black one away. And here's another set, which is the blue one. So it'll go into the giveaways. And so I think that's it for the bag. Not bad overall. I think it was worth it. And I love this bag. Look, it says Dream all over it. And it has this little, cute little IPSY sign right here. Oops. Let me see if I can get you to see it. Yeah, so it's very nice, and I love this. So, yeah, it is definitely a win this time. So, my beautiful wildflowers, if I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you are enjoying the content, please do subscribe. And I will let you listen to my crickets today for a change. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, take it easy out there. Be careful, and remember, don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.